In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp step by step. From adding contacts to creating and sending your first email campaign. If you're new to email marketing, this is a simple beginner-friendly walkthrough that will help you get started fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side and click Audience. This is where you manage the people you want to send emails to. If you already have contacts, you can review them here, and if you're starting fresh, this is the place to import new ones. Next, click Add Contact, then choose Import Contacts. This lets you bring in the contacts you want to share emails with. You can upload your contact list and make sure the email addresses are added correctly. It's always a good idea to double-check your list before moving forward, because your campaign will only go to the audience you import here. Once your audience is ready, go back to the main menu and click Campaigns. This is where you create and manage email campaigns in Mailchimp. Now click Create to start a new one. You'll see different campaign options, and for this tutorial, click Email. After that, click Regular. A regular email campaign is the standard option for sending a message to your audience. Now Mailchimp will ask you to name the campaign, so enter a name that makes it easy for you to recognize later. Then click Begin to move into the Campaign Builder. Now you're inside the Design section. This is where you build the look and feel of your email. Click Select Design, and for this example, I'm choosing a basic layout. The basic layout is a good choice if you want something clean and simple. After that, choose your tone. I'm selecting Minimal because it gives the email a neat and professional style. Now it's time to edit the content. You can change the text, add your logo and update images according to your message. Make sure your headline is clear, your body text is easy to read, and your visuals match the purpose of your email. If you're promoting something specific, keep the message focused and direct. This helps improve engagement and makes your email look more polished. Take your time here and review each section carefully. You can customize the wording, swap out the images, and make sure your branding looks consistent. If your logo is important for brand recognition, place it where it is easy to see. If you want the email to feel more personal, adjust the tone so it matches your audience. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit. This saves your progress and takes you back to the campaign area. At this point, it's smart to review your campaign one more time before sending it out. Check the subject line, the design, the contact list, and make sure everything is exactly how you want it. Finally, when you're ready, click Send. Mailchimp will deliver your email campaign to the contacts you imported earlier. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Mailchimp to add contacts, create a campaign, design your email, and send it out. If this Mailchimp tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.